Yeah, fue mucho pedo. Like, we're not gonna do more than a 3-part, okay? We promise you. We hate doing that part 1, part 2, part 3 thing, but this one was necessary, to be honest. Basically, it was taking us like a whole week for one part, a whole week for the other part. I don't know. Don't even listen to me. Like, this is gonna take us 2 to 3 days, but because right now, I'm gonna send this down to make the lines exactly where we need the material to go on. And then we're gonna cut up the pieces and send it off to get stitched to a place right here that he can just do the stitching really quickly. And then we're gonna put it. But before we can do all that, we have to measure, make sure everything is good inside the car, and then make sure that these lines are gonna match up to this. So everything has to match up. Obviously, it has to look good. It can't just be like half-ass done, you know? So we're trying to make it look really, really, really nice. So line, 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 and line. Suede in the middle on that though. We're having some technical difficulties. We need a new manguera. Just do it by hand. It's literally gonna be done so quickly. Yes, it is. It's so abrasive. I mean, it doesn't take too long. Look, that one's. You wanted more than that?
Yeah, like blank. We need a blank.
I mean, obviously, we thought it would be super quick, but it's not that.
Okay.
It's not that long either.
Let's try with this now.
Oh my gosh.
That took like 1.2 seconds.
Shut up. No, it did not. I'm just saying in case we didn't have the fitting. I mean, it is a little bit faster. Ahora sí quedó. Wow. En la esquinita. You're holding it, right?
Oh, you gotta put that wire.
Okay. You're gonna bring your pen? And the third brake light?
Yeah, no, the third brake is not a problem.
Yeah, but I'm saying so it could be centered. Oh, no, right? It'll sit anyways, no matter where you put it, right?
And even if,
What?
no, you're right. Fuck.
Just so we can mark right.
It's right there.
I mean, yeah, it's right here, but I don't know how to put it. There you go.
This goes like this.
Who's at the house? Oh,
Where's this? Where's the?
the screws are right here.
These are not the screws.
They're not?
No.
Then why do we have these?
They're like, or you know what?
They are. You're tripping.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure.
I know. That's the center?
That is the center.
All right. Ready, Freddy? Just going slow because I don't want to. Parece que te dije darle rápido a la verga. Yeah, fucking rude. I'm kidding. It's fine. It's set. It's good. And now you do your lines. Okay, how I told you. Oh.
We'll because, damn, look, it's kind of higher up. Not too much. Should we round this out?
Why? You don't want that to show? This?
I don't want this hard line to show. All right, no. What do you think?
Let me see. It's because I need to see. Well, right now that doesn't matter as far as
It
the
does, though. It's part.
fabric. No, it doesn't. As far as the fabric, it don't matter. Because we're going to have enough room for it to be out here. I bet I need to sit like over there. So you don't like the harsh line? Fuck. It's because I like harsh lines. This car is a harsh line vehicle. It's not a round vehicle. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, but still. I mean, I don't know.
Nah, pues if you think it'll look better the other way, pues, I mean, I guess fuck it. I just personally like it like that. Acá le falta como quiera, yeah. So aquí no se va a ver for shit.
Yeah,
Just gonna be right there. You want it to curve down, basically. I like straight edges, but okay.
It's because it's not gonna flow. If you look at everything else, look, you see everything is rounded. Everything is rounded.
Yeah,
And
like
you
the
just
seats and shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Pues,
And the problem is gonna be like it's not gonna flow.
you don't think so?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Pues if that's what you think, we'll do that. But for now, you need to do the lines first.
Okay, where's it? Yeah, but I could just do.
Oh, you could just press it down because it's held from the middle, right?
Yeah.
This side is kind of good. Over here, it's held down.
Yeah, but I want to do the line already straight.
Go.
Oh.
I caught that on camera. It's not your day. You got it?
I got it.
Handy dandy. No.
Oh, come
Do you trust me that much?
I have to trust you like you trust me.
Jesus Christ.
Just, I'm holding this because I don't want it to move.
Mucha línea fea que hice, miren. Las de él sí están bien. Oh, no nací para esto. He's gonna redo my line. He's gonna redo my line because I did it all ugly. But he marked it like here and there, and then you just put la regla y vámonos, Ricky Martin. Or that.
It's good. Did you redo it?
I did magic. Ya llegó el stitch. Uy, qué bonito. You see? So that's the idea. You see? Leather, suede, leather, suede, leather. Y así quedó.
Oh, you fucking.
What does that mean, Carlos?
It means I'm fucking up.
Mm-hmm. You're fucking up.
What the hell did you do?
I think you need to clean it. Porque se está escupiendo mucho la güey. I'm on holding duty.
All this glue.
Yep, they're gonna talk shit. Oh well.
You're supposed to be the one cleaning it.
The fuck?
Well, yeah. What's your job?
Nothing.
Exactly.
To just sit pretty.
You're not just the camera. You can't just be the face.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
I know how to do it. I just choose not to do it. I let my peasants do it for me. I'm kidding. I'm fucking kidding.
You're fucking lying.
I'm not. I am kidding.
No, fuck you're not.
I really am. Don't even fucking act like I'm like that.
You are. Like, they don't even know you.
I am kidding, by the way.
No, you're not.
Yes,
You're
I am.
lying.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're just like that.
I'm not like that. Don't even lie.
You're worse.
Everyone can back me up and say that I'm not like that.
They don't know
Period.
you.
Huh?
They don't know you.
Who doesn't know me?
The viewers.
Exactly. That's why people that actually know me are gonna back me up and say, no, I don't mean that. Carlos just is a sassy boy.
Boy.
Oh, perdónala.
Boy.
¿Qué creen, guys?
Cállate los hocico.
Va a cumplir 40 el Carlos en... ¿When's your birthday?
You're lying. Stop. You see, you just...
I
Why just tell lies?
That you're turning 40?
Yeah, wait.
Bitch, don't even lie, ho. I'm gonna show him your fucking ID. Where your ID at? Carlos is gonna turn Unk status this March. Carlos el Unk.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, he is. ¿Verdad, Unk status?
No.
I'm gonna bring him a balloon that says Happy Birthday, Unk. Checula, right?
Alright. See, I told you. See? Only coolers be doing that shit.
Oh, you see? That's God saying that's a lie.
No, because you see, I caught it.
Sí, güey, ahorita. Quiero un café a la verga.
Hijo de tu puta madre, pues.
That one has too much pressure. Ahora sí. Oh, ¿no? ¿Puedes o no puedes?
No puedo la verga.
¿Qué necesitas?
Something to spray on. Bring me that. Peasant.
I knew you were gonna say that shit.
Bring me that. Come on.
Te estás aguantando, ¿verdad? Ahora sí, Ricky Martin.
This guy wanted to fucking spray less. What the fuck?
Pues, do you not know how to work it?
Baby, what's it? There.
Okay. Let's see, mijo.
Grab this. Put it on there.
Wait. Wait.
What?
You didn't think about this. So we're leaving the hard edge?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it?
Check it, chingados.
Let me see. I like it. Well, I'm just saying in case you like this edge instead. Okay, he committed. Ain't no going back. Who's barking? The doggy next door?
Me.
I'm gonna bring my fucking dog. Who sent me a video of a dog working at the shop? Who sent it to me? I think Jennifer. I'm gonna show you later. Where am I going? Chevato.
Not too. I said hold it, not pull
Oh.
it. You know the difference?
Sorry. Jesus Christ.
Someone's hangry.
I know, and you fucking ate. Someone's in a bad mood today.
Yeah.
¿Qué te hicieron?
Not the policía.
Una vieja te hizo enojar?
Suéltalo, suéltalo. Yeah.
Sorry for you. Ya se enoja, ya se enoja. Que se enoja pierde. A ver.
Shit. That's facts. Here's just the only thing
We're not gonna glue that side yet.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait to measure and cut whatever else we need to cut, basically, right?
Yeah.
Damn. Ah, qué bonito, hijo. Chicle, papirrín.
Yeah. Go look at mine. It looks all slitty.
Yeah, it does. Wow. Oh, damn, it's gonna look good, but we need to paint them now.
Yeah, I kind of like them like that.
Silver?
Yeah.
But the car doesn't have anything silver.
On the inside?
Yeah. We just quickly painted it a little bit just to see how it would look with black. And yeah, we're most likely gonna go with black, even though we just did a pull. It just looks cleaner. It just matches more.
I like this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I do like this.
Oh, I like this more. It looks nicer.
Matches your heart.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, it's basically done. We can't glue this yet because we're going to have to shape it up a little bit. So we left it like that. And then this flap, we left it because we might be tucking it like towards the body once we put it in. It just depends. Yeah. Or we might just tuck it in. But we don't want to commit till we start placing stuff in there. But this is how it's going to look. I hope y'all aren't unsatisfied. Show them over there. Like, grab it because this does not... Ooh, my key. But look, damn, that whole gonna look clean. Nah, yeah, the black is better. What do y'all think? Let us know.
Silver.